guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be posting a pack with me, even though I leave Thursday. But yeah. Sorry if I look a little funky. It's the camera and it's inverted, so that's why it looks like that. Yeah. I'm going to be showing. Whoa. I'm like on my tripod right now, so it's fucking enough. You get the issue. Okay, I'm gonna be showing you just like what I'm gonna be packing my clothes, and yeah. Sorry guys, it's like very off. This is like my first time vlogging on my camera, and I don't know why it looks so dark. It's on the dark right now. Yeah. Anyway, much better. I just have it all on a pile right now, I guess. And yeah. But where I'm going is I'm going camping. I leave Wednesday and come back Sunday, so I'm like a little funky, guys. But trust the process. I will literally. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna get to it instead of rambling because I'm just rambling on and on and on. Because I'm gonna have too much to edit, and it's actually gonna be gross. I think I'm just going this today. So guys, I'm gonna be using about that, and because like, it's so blurry. Gotta focus out. I don't know why it's being so blurry right now, but yeah, it's much better. So the first day started gonna be Friday because I leave like Thursday at like midnight, so but I'm just going to be wearing these white pants because they're also like summer, but also it's actually like very breezy. And please do not mind the background noise. I don't know if I should turn it off or not, but it's just my everyday shirt. I don't know what else I'm gonna be wearing. I'm gonna watch chocolate. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't go blurry again. But yeah. And then I'm just gonna be wearing summer. Don't come at me for it. But this Florida sweatshirt. And then for second day, just gonna wear a t-shirt. It's gonna be like I've had this since literally. Like it's actually consuming, but yeah. And then I'm just gonna wear me some black biker shorts because why not? And but so I apologize for like the lighting. I don't understand what's wrong. And then for the third day, like the very last day, I'm just gonna wear another plain t-shirt that says Missouri, Missouri, Missouri. As you can tell, I live in Missouri half my whole life. And then I'm just gonna wear these shorts. Just regular shorts. I need to put my pajamas next, but I have not done that. I probably won't put my pajamas. I always just wear my clothes just to, like, you know, keep I'm not worried about that, but I don't know. But I'm gonna go in. So, I'm spraying right now. Okay, that's it for my clothes, and I'm not gonna pack I'm not gonna pack my other stuff because I do mistakes. So there's literally no point in that. But if I just pack a little bit of my stuff, I don't know what's in the pack because it's literally in the house. Yeah, I moved it more or something. I'm just driving on. It's wait, can I see it out? Anyways, I don't know. Well, while I'm doing this, I actually might as well just do a little fit check for today. So we're getting this one here. I don't know what it looks like. Oh, here it is. So this top is from Shein. These shorts are from Walmart. My bra is from Walmart. And then my earpiece right here, I have no clue. I got it from Christmas. But yeah, that's it. I'll have. I want. That's it. Why am I acting like that? But I might as well just do a little. But yeah, I'm just taking my bag. Nothing's here. Just my bag. Right over there. I am going to summer camp next month. The July 25th, July 21st to the July 25th. I'm taking that. I'm doing this all. But yeah, I'm gonna be taking a suitcase. I have to buy one first. Haven't even signed up for summer camp, but I will. I'm going, so I don't know. It should be fun. I don't know. I mean, I might as well just show you guys what I am going to take because I can't pack right now because I still have to use it. But might as well just content because I need to post more. I haven't posted a long video in a week. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys what I am going to take because I can't pack it right now. But if you look, I'm going to bring my perfume, and it's the Peach Plus. It will focus. Peach Plus Daisy, and it's the Aeropostale. I did not know Aeropostale literally sold perfume until I got it as a present. And then I'm just gonna bring deodorant, that kind, and then of course a lotion. My bottle was literally at the top of here because I didn't wear lotion before, and then I started, and I love, but yeah, that's the lotion. And I'm also gonna take my Neomed piercing aftercare for my nose piercing because I still have to clean that because I don't want to get infected. And then I'm taking my brush, of course, but and then makeup. I'm not gonna show all my makeup, but mascara, curling iron, chapstick, just all the random crap that I'll be taking. But yeah. And then I'm going to be taking like skincare. If you can't see what it has on here, but it's the Equate Naturally Beaming Moisturizer. And then the CeraVe AM Facial Moisturizing Lotion. And then I'm of course going to take my hair products, and this is what I use. That kind, and then this kind. If I can get it focused. Yep. And of course I'm going to take this because I will be outside literally all the time, and I'm gonna take that. And it works wonders. Like, if you don't like getting burnt, I will not recommend it to you because you will get burnt. But yeah. I think that's it. Of course, my makeup wipes. And I just use this kind. You know, that kind. Anyways, and of course, I'm going to bring the phone and then everything like that. But that's it, I guess. I think that's it. Oh, no, I'm also going to take the bikinis, but I'm not going to show that because I'm only going to take that. Literally no point. I'm only being there for 3 days. But if I can. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications, and so you can stay tuned for my next video. But yeah, let me know what I should post because I'm actually out of ideas on what I should post. So please let me know, and